Morning. I thought I would do a day in my life. Last day on holiday. It's been a hectic week, so we're gonna be working out. I need to do the rest of my Lego. I got a Lego from Costco and I haven't showed you guys yet, and kind of need to do bracelets, but it's not till June. But before we do that, we need to tidy my room. When I say tidy my room, I mean just not my bed, because I've got loads of pillows, so when I have my pillows on my bed, it looks a mess. And I feel like for once, I'm talking like if I was talking to someone else. I don't know. I feel like not vlogging that much has made me more comfortable. Not talking like, hi guys, welcome to this vlog. Even though I probably just did it at the beginning. I need to start just filming it like you guys are people, because you are. The end of the day, but at the same time I'm talking to my phone. But let's make my mood. This is the outfit of the day. I could have worn my black vest, but just grabbed the first one that I found. But it's not being as tight now, even though I don't feel like I've actually lost many pounds. Well, I do it in pounds. I know that's American, but like kilograms confuse me. So like I technically do it in stone, but like every pound I lose, I just say I lost pounds. So far I've lost 2 pounds, but that could just be from water weight or anything. But when I continue, we're still on this weight loss journey. Even if life is literally yelling in my face, eat chocolate. That's how you deal with your emotions. I had an ice cream. I've been having ice creams. I had a McFlurry Kit Kat. But the difference now is normally when I eat chocolate, or normally when I snack, like after a meal, I'm like, oh well, that's it, I'm done. I've broken it. I've done the typical, like I've always been like, oh that's it, that diet's over. But this time I'm like, no, it's about lifestyle, changing your lifestyle. I do feel like I don't need fizzy drinks or chocolate, so I've not felt like I've needed to have fizzy drink as much, or chocolate or sweets, so I guess that's good. And slowly but surely I will see the muscle mass and the weight loss. I don't want to just lose weight, I want to build muscle as well. So that's why I'm going to go and work out and do some muscle workouts and running. As you guys just seen, I just had my lunch. I had a pot noodle and some carrots. I'm now going to put on the Xbox and watch Disney Plus on the TV and do my Marvel, it is Marvel, but Guardians of the Galaxy. I forgot the animal, but I'll need to show you it. It's not Groot, but it's another other animal. been a couple of days, but I'm going to tidy my room and vlog for the rest of the day. After tidying my room, I'm going to make my lunch, and I got loads of things to make healthy lunches. I got like protein porridge or oats. I don't like actual porridge. I got the thin bread that's like only 100 calories. I like having that for toast in the morning. And I got protein bagels, got bananas, I got pears. I'll show you all that after I've tidied my room. But let's get to tidying. Also want to put this up for sale, and for anyone wanting this, I'm going to put this up. I think it's alright. I need to clean it first and sort it out and everything like that. But I haven't sold any more coasters, but I'm really hoping when I get paid, I'm gonna order some more and make some more. I want to make Taylor's new album. I want to do like loads of ideas I've got, but it's just making them happen. But first I need to tidy this room to make the magic happen. I still need to do my desk, but I'm going to do that later because I am hungry. And an update on this vlog is, since doing my Lego, because I think that's the last clip I filmed, that bit there, wherever that bit there is, like your collarbone, I've done something to it because it is killing me. Well, it's not killing me, but like if I move a certain way, it hurts. So I don't know what I've done, if it's a Lego or if I've just moved it weirdly when I was working out, but it was fine when after I worked out. I do not know, but we're just trying to rest so I don't injure myself even more. No, I don't think it's an injury from working out. I don't know what I've done. I'm gonna go and get my lunch now and I'll show you what I'm making. This is some of the things that I got from my food shop. So I got protein bagel, I got the half and half bread, and I also got pears and bananas and loads of other things. But now I'm making my lunch. This is what I'm having for my lunch then. And this is what I'm going to scan this as well. These are only 71 calories. I haven't actually had like normal crepes for about a week. I didn't really realise how low calories these are. I just sold an item. I'm gonna, when my parents come back, I'm gonna package the item and go and send it off because I'm at work tomorrow. So I'm gonna do that and I'll film it. I forgot to mention that this is a Vinted item, so if you want to check out my Vinted, you can. This product is now on my Vinted. It is Harry Styles Harry's House inspired dot art coaster. I make loads of dot art coasters. I've got Taylor Swift inspired ones as well. I'm really trying to promote my Vinted lately. I just went to go and redo some of the dots and I think it's looking good. So that might be going up later tonight when it dries. Like I said earlier, I've not sold any except from one that was really cheap. I sold it for $2.50. But if you do like my dot art coaster, I would really appreciate it if you check out my Vinted. All of the coasters I'm making, I'm putting them on there. And they are very unique. They're homemade. I sell them for £6. Or it's £6 to £7. I could technically sell them for more. But I think it's kind of hard because it's like, I don't know. Well, I used to sell them for £5 and then I upped my price to £7. And for Vinted, I've done £6 because, not like that, this makes a difference, but you guys need to pay for shipping, so I kind of put that in perspective, even though I'm not getting the shipping money. So like if I sell 2, I get £12. And maybe in the future, if I ever do Etsy, I would probably up the price to like £7 at least, because I have to keep in mind that I do just sell one. Like, they're very unique coasters, like, but if I put in the cost of like the actual coasters, the paint, I could sell them for £20 if I really wanted to, but I know no one would pay for that, especially for one coaster. So if you want to check them out or let me know how much you would pay for it, this is my Vinted. Please go give it some love. I'll link it down below as well. This is also the head that I made last night. Look how cool it looks. So this is the body. It does actually stand up, but it's a bit weird when it stands up. One of the legs are like, that's what it looks like. I just need to do the arms and the shooting things, and then his, can't really see it, but like the back of it, that bit there. And then, I don't know when you get a little group, but these actually shoot, so hopefully I do it properly. But that's cute.